Okay, so yesterday we used a simple pipe which was uppercase. Now this is predefined pipe in Angular. You can have many predefined pipes that you can refer the documentation. Okay. Uh, Today what we would learn is we would learn to create our own pipe, right? So the functionality in that pipe, uh, I mean, we will define that kind of functionality in our pipe, right? So in this, what we would do today is we would do sorting, right? We have this display countries here, so we would apply pipe to this display countries array, right? So that it would be sorted, right, on whichever field we want, right? So we will try to sort it by name and we'll try to sort it by capital. To do that, right, or to create a custom pipe, what we need to do is we need to first create a pipe. How will I do that? I'll simply say ng generate pipe and I'll call it say my pipe. What this would do is this will create a mypipe.pipe.ts in your app folder. So if you can see in your app folder, we'll have somewhere this mypipe.pipe.ts. Right now, it has a few arguments, out of which we'll delete this one, and I would say, or else I'll keep only one simple argument, which is value. Now, whenever we would apply pipe, right? So to whichever data member we are applying that pipe, that data member's value would come in this value field. That is what would happen. And what we need to do is we need to sort it, right? So, and basic structure of pipe is it uses a pipe annotation or a decorator, as you can call it, and it has a name. So this is the name which you would be using in pipe. So what I would do is here, let's see of display countries, I would use that pipe like this, colon my pipe. Now what is this my pipe? This my pipe comes from this name, right? If you change this name, you need to change it here as well, right? That is the first thing that needs to be done. Right, now let us apply some values here. Right, now in this case, if you see that if I remove this pipe, right, we'll get all the data or all our countries displayed if we remove this pipe, right? But if I apply this pipe, let's say my pipe, right, it will not display the countries. Right, as you can see, it is not displaying the countries. Why is it not displaying the countries? It is not displaying the countries because in our pipe.ts file, right, we are simply returning null. So at the end, what happens is this value part, we are returning null from this pipe. Because it is returning null, that array got null and it is not returning anything. Right, so instead of null, what I would initially say is I would say return value. If I do that, it should display me the countries again. Right, it displayed me the countries again. So what actually is happening is that this display countries, it is going into this transform function and in this parameter, which is value, right? So whatever manipulations we do to this value, right, those manipulations would be visible in the display countries or would be uh, say appended to the display countries. That would happen. Right, now let us see how to manipulate it. Right, I would simply say let ARR equals to ARR colon any equals to value. I'm just taking that value in another variable. Now what we need to do is we need to sort. So I would say ARR dot sort. Right, again sort takes two parameters. I'll say A comma B. Right, and a callback function. And in this callback function, I would say if A dot name is less than B dot name, right, I'll say return -1, else I would say return 1, right? And after that, I would say instead of value, you should return ARR. Now, if we can see, we have Afghanistan and that Eland Islands here. I haven't saved this file. If I save this file, it will get it sorted, right? And it is sorted on the basis of name, right? So we got Albania, we got Algeria, likewise, right? Instead, if I do return 1 year and return -1 year, this will sort it in descending order. Right, so it sorted this in descending order. Is it clear yahan tak? What is happening is, I'll explain it again, right? The flow. What is happening is that we have our ng for here, right? In which we have this display countries on which we are iterating, right? And we have applied a pipe which is my pipe, right? Now what happens is the value of this display countries, it goes into the first parameter of your transform function of your pipe. So your pipe has a by default transform function. In that function, in this value, what you would get is the display countries. That is what is going to happen initially. Then what I did is I took it in array, I applied the sorting and I returned that array, the sorted array. Right, that is the reason it is sorting it. And whichever order you wish to sort, it will sort it that way. Right, so is it clear yahan tak? Okay, okay, great. Right, now now this is sorting on the basis of name. What this thing is, this is sorting on the basis of name. Now what if you wish to sort on the basis of capital or on the basis of, say, population or area, right? What should we do? So we'll have to create multiple pipes and then apply it there, but that is not the proper solution, right? So what you can do is you can have another parameter here. I'll call it, say, field, right? So it means on what field you are going to sort, right? And I am saying its value is string. That's what I am saying. Its data type is string. Now, instead of sorting it on the basis of name, what I would say is, instead of a dot name, I would say a of field, and here I would say b of field, right? And it will sort it on that basis. But right, how you need to pass the field is, after your my pipe, give a colon, right? And in single inverted commas, give it the field. Let us give the field as capital. So what it is telling is that, okay, you have to sort on the basis of capital. Now let's see if it is sorted. M, H, L, S, E, L. Right, so it's sorted on that basis, I guess. Let me check. No, it hasn't sorted on that basis. That probably is because it is error occurs in template. Okay, that is the older ones. Right, let us try and print. I'll say console.log field. Right, so I got capital here now. Right, so it was not updated. Right, that is the reason it happened. Right, so we got the capital name here in field. I mean the capital in field. So what it is telling is you have to sort it on the basis of this particular field. In this particular case, it is capital. So if you can see, it is sorting it on the basis of capital. we got Z, we got Y, we got again Y, right? Likewise. So it is sorting in descending order. That is the reason this is happening. Right, now instead of capital, let's say if you have to sort it on the basis of name, right? What we'll do that is instead of capital, I'll pass name. Now let's see if it does. Right, so it again sorted it on the basis of name. Right, let's say if I have to sort on the basis of area, I'll say area. Right, we got the area printed here and it's sorted on the basis of area. So is it clear? Right, let us try and apply the sorting in, let us create one more pipe and try to apply sorting for this capital. Not sorting, let's say if we have to change the value of this capital to uh, what I can say lowercase, if I have to change it to lowercase, right? Now this uppercase and lowercase, these are inbuilt pipes of Angular. Instead, what we'll do is we'll create our own pipe, right? Just for display purpose, we'll do that. How will I do that? I'll again go to this place, I'll say ng generate pipe, I'll call it say case, right? So it will create a case pipe, case.pipe.ts in our place. So we have got case.pipe.ts here. Right here, I'll remove this. Right, and here what I'll say is let str colon string equals to value. So we got it in a string data member, and why is it crying? Str is declared its value is never used. Right, so I just typecasted it to type string. Right, then what I would say is instead of returning null, I would simply say return str dot to lowercase. So it will always print our capital in lowercase provided if we apply the pipe. Right, now how will I apply the pipe? I would simply say c dot capital and then pipe, and I would say lowercase. I would say case. So it will always print the capital in lowercase. See, now it printed the capital in lowercase. Right, now let us say that if we have to define it, uh, say if we have to specify in what case should it print, right? To do that, what I'll do is in my pipe, right, I would have another uh, say uh, parameter, and I'll call it uh, say flag, right, which is of the type string. Right, now what I would say, if flag equals to lower, right, then return str.to lowercase, else return str.to uppercase. Right, and I'll also give an if flag equals to upper, right? I'll give str dot to uppercase, right? And how will I send a flag? I'll send a flag, right, using colon. I would say colon, and in single quotes, I would say upper. Let's see if it works. It did not work. Probably that is because वो वहां तक पहुंचा नहीं. I would simply say control dot flag. Let's see if we get that flag. Yes. Right. Now it changed to upper. We that upper got printed here. And if I have to make it lower, I would simply say case lower. Right. It made it lower. Right. So that is how you need to uh, use a pipe or create custom pipes, right? And then pass parameters to that pipe. Say upper and lower, you can say that they are parameters. How do you pass parameters? You use a colon after your pipe, and then you pass whatever value you wish to pass. And you need to write your logic depending upon that value. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. Great. How to import pipe in other module. Okay. So when we generate the pipe, right, as you can see that where that pipe is present. So it said that it says that it is getting updated, right? You can always import it in your app.module.ts. kahan gaya? Right, in your app.module.ts, right, you import this pipe, right? तो simple है ये तरीके से उसको import कर दो, right? It will be usable. ठीक है, अगर नहीं भी होता है तो you need to add it to the providers. Currently I am not having any module, so you can add it in the providers, or you can add it in the exports array if you wish to export that pipe. यानी एक मॉड्यूल में अगर कोई पाइप बना है तो उसे दूसरे मॉड्यूल में आप यूज करना चाहते हो तो यू शुड एड इट इन योर एक्सपोर्ट्स एरे. यहाँ पर एक एक्सपोर्ट्स एरे बना लेना, राइट, उसमें डाल देना, राइट, एंड सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू यूज दैट. जनरली ऐसा अवॉइड करो, right, avoid doing that generally, but overall that is the way. Pipes को separate ही रखना, and because they are shared thing. सर सॉर्टिंग एंड केस का पाइप एक में नहीं कर सकते क्या? सॉर्टिंग एंड केस का पाइप एक में नहीं कर सकते क्या? नहीं कर सकते. उसका रीजन ये है कि सॉर्टिंग एरे लेता है, वेराज तुम्हारा केस वाला जो है वो सिंपल स्ट्रिंग लेगा, राइट? सो इट इज बेटर यू राइट डिफरेंट थिंग्स. कर सकते हो, राइट, यू नीड टू अप्लाई लॉजिक टू डू दैट, बट इट मेक्स नो सेंस. एक फाइल एक्स्ट्रा बनाने में क्या जा रहा है? Okay, so is it clear? Pipes. Okay, okay, great. ओके, एनी इश्यूज अभी तक जो जो हमने किया, राइट? आई गेस यू ऑल हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड दोज थिंग्स. कोई इशू आए उसमें?